Hey guys, it's Poochie and
Honey.
And we are that's not her real name. Just don't be fooled by that. We're doing another unboxing video. This time, the box says shoes. So let's get to it. There she goes. She's unboxing. By the way, this is a dog. We have Louie up here helping us. He is supervising, actually, from the desk drawer. He's got a dog bed in the desk drawer, so he's very curious. Everything. So far, he has absconded with this little sloth boy.
Okay. No.
Hey, quit it. Dogs everywhere.
These are Aldo.
Who is this from? Is this from
America Ghost? Yeah. No, Goodwill.
Okay, so this is a 10 pairs of shoes that we paid $44.99 for. So, is that right? $44.99? No, it's Goodwill. It's Goodwill, 5 pairs of shoes, $29.99. So, with tax, probably about $33.
These are Aldo.
These are Aldo. Those are kind of neat. Ooh, wow. Okay, so the thing that's interesting, I thought they were plastic, but they feel like silicone.
Yeah, they like jelly shoes.
Yeah. No clue what these are worth. Are we going to do comps and try to find out? I don't know. You'll have to stay tuned for the end of the video to find out.
These are.
Oh, hey, now.
Nike.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, well, this has a little bit, I mean, he couldn't be Air Jordan missing one foot. I'm just going to say that right now.
What?
He looks like he's missing a foot.
This one's a little weird.
Okay. But on the Air Jordans. And this, again, it was 5 pairs for like $33. Okay. Those pumps look new too.
These are Italian. I can't say the name.
These are a Giannetti made in Italy. You know, that really doesn't mean anything.
It sounds fancy.
It does, right?
Yeah.
But it really means absolutely nothing. Good tread. They're a little worn. You can't really see the name, but they're okay. We'll check them out and see how much they sell for.
These are, I don't see a brand, but they're really cute. Like canvas beachy shoes. Like they'd be good for the summer, maybe? They're cute.
I hate brandless.
They're cute.
I hate brandless
They're cute.
stuff. Honey keeps saying they're cute. They're cute. They're cute. They're cute.
I mean, they're cute.
They're cute. They're not worth anything, but they're cute. They're not. Trust
These
me.
are Nike King.
Oh, those are
Hungry.
cool.
These are Hungry shoes. This is Hungry.
This says humble.
Mine says Hungry. Is it like the Snickers if you're not satisfied?
Who
you
is
eat
that?
one?
That's going to be somebody.
Here, what?
King. Are these King James shoes?
Is he hungry?
Are these LeBron James? I don't know. Hungry and humble. I don't know. I don't know what kind they are. We'll find out.
I'm hungry too.
Those are
but
nice.
I wouldn't put it on my shoe.
The soles of these are cool. Definitely somebody's. I mean, I can't tell if it's LeBron James, but K2, that makes me think either that or it's Kobe. I don't know. We'll find out. Are there any
Nope,
others?
that's it.
That's it. That is $33 approximately worth of shoes from buybluebox.com. So let's do the comps and see how we did. I have in my hand
What do you
the
have in your
comps, the details as promised. Okay, so we paid about $33 for this lot from the Goodwill Blue Box website. The Kyrie Irving, that's who it is, not LeBron James. Kyrie Irving shoes, they're youth shoes, $40. That's about what they sell for. The Air Jordan 11s, now, we cannot find these. They're not in the greatest shape, but we cannot find these like anywhere. We found them one place online and they had no cost. So a safe bet, a very, very safe conservative bet, I think is $50. But we're going to actually put them on auction and start them at $99.99 and see what we can do, because we, like I said, we cannot find them anywhere. The A. Gianetti shoes are a crapola. That's the only Italian that I have to go with those shoes. A crapatola, like $15. The No Name shoes, Betsy thinks we can get more, but I think maybe $10 because they're brand new. And the Aldo shoes, I think 20, maybe a little bit more. We can't find any that are clear like that.
Yeah.
They are transparent. You see, you can almost see my eye. I don't want to stick my eye in the shoes, but so you can see Betsy through the shoes. You see, there she is. I mean, Honey, whatever her name is. So, I figure if we sell, we have 5 pairs of shoes, right, Bets? Honey?
Yeah.
And if we sell them for all those prices, it's going to be $135. I think those Jordans may sell for quite a bit more, though, so we may be making a lot more on this than I'm going to report to you. But if we sell those for $50, show them the shoes again.
These ones. Right?
Yeah, those ones. We can't find them like anywhere. So $135 if we sell them all for the prices and sell those for $50 that we're going to list them at. I figure minus 25% on these because we're going to list them pretty close to what their value is, but that will pay for eBay fees and also maybe a little room to work with if we want to do best offers and stuff. And then we paid $33, so 25% is minus $33.75 and minus $33 that we paid, so $68.25 profit for 5 pairs of shoes. So that is over 13. Oh God. 5 times 15 equals. Okay, over $13 profit per shoe. I'm giving this to Betsy, and we're gonna go on to the next box. Remember, buy low,
Sell high.
subscribe. Subscribe.